Smart planning and proper schedule you can master in physics. Today in this video, you will be learning the topper strategy to crack in physics. I have also given a bonus tip at the end of this video, so watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get instant notification so that you won't miss any videos in future. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, now let us have a look at weightages of these lessons. I have also given a separate column for number of questions asked from these chapters. Note that these weightages are not constant for every year. It may vary slightly. Based on the last 10 years of NEET exam paper analysis, we got these weightages. The real nature of matter and radiation is my favorite chapter. Which is your favorite chapter in physics? Let me know in the comment section. More obviously, more weighted chapters are most important chapters. These were the do or die chapters, so you need to be very careful regarding these lessons. Okay, now you have learned about weightages, an important topic. Let us learn how to get 140 plus marks in NEET physics. Okay, we can divide all the chapters into three parts: easy chapter, moderate chapter and difficult chapter. First of all, easy chapter. You need to be very thorough with these lessons. Please don't omit any of these lessons. These are the lessons you can master in very less time and with minimal effort. So try to complete these lessons faster. I hope if you work hard, you can master all these lessons within few days. And you will be getting 15 to 20 questions from these chapters. Next, moderately difficult chapter. These are the lessons you need to spend time and effort to master. I'm not saying it as a difficult lesson, but there are lots of easy concepts. You need to spend time and effort to get perfect in these topics, and you will be getting 15 to 20 questions from these chapters. Next, difficult lessons. These are the lessons which is having a lots of concept. Examiner may ask different type of questions from these chapters. In order to master these chapters, you need to work very hard and you need to do deep work. If you are thorough with easy and moderately difficult lesson, surely you can able to attend 30 to 35 questions, which is equivalent to 120 to 140 marks. If you need to get 140 plus marks, you need to master difficult lessons too. Obviously, this is a deciding factor for the NEET exam. Think like this: if all the lessons in physics were easier, so everybody can master all the lessons and everybody can score more marks in physics. But that is not the thing. Hard is what that makes it great. This is a factor that differentiates you from others. If you like to differentiate you from others, then definitely you need to work hard. Okay, next we can move to smart strategies to crack NEET physics. Some students learn only the important chapters, but there is a more probability that examiner may ask easy questions from non-important or difficult topics and may ask difficult questions from important or easy topics. So the students studying only the important chapters fail in this case. So I prefer not to leave any chapter. At least study few concepts from that lesson. Still it helps you solve some problems. Give importance to previous year question. After you have thoroughly studied the concept, the next thing you need to do is to solve previous year question, which is the very basic thing you need to do. Because many times the questions are repeated. Previous year question will give you the idea where most of the questions are asked. Moreover, previous year question cover almost all the concept of the lesson. So give importance to previous year questions. Prefer videos over books. In order to understand concept easily, I suggest you to watch video rather than reading, since reading is the better way to learn concept, but by watching videos you can learn the concept faster and you can understand concept easily. There are lots of videos in YouTube, so make use of those videos. Quality matters than quantity. If you ask me what is the best study material for physics, it is definitely NCERT and your physics notes taken during class hours. These both materials are very important for preparation. Make sure you concentrate more on your notes. Use dimensional analysis over standard methods. There are some questions you can answer easily with dimensional check. Look at this question. To answer this question, this is the standard procedure you will follow. Instead of this procedure, you can easily answer this question by dimensional checking. Don't worry, try to solve from last question.
Sometimes examiners set up a question like this, a very difficult question at the beginning of the paper and easy questions at the end of the paper. So student may think that the exam paper is very difficult and make it anxious and stressed. Don't worry guys, at this situation, just take a breath and start doing problem from the end. Always keep this in your mind. If exam paper is difficult, it is not only difficult for you, it's difficult for everyone.
Do some research. In order to score more marks in physics, follow this strategy. After the completion of the test, practice doing some research and ask these questions to yourself. Like, where I am losing more marks? What is the reason behind it? Whether I read the questions wrongly or I wrote formulas wrongly. Whether I am not thorough with this concept. How to improve this situation. If you ask these questions, you can definitely get some answers and it will help you to boost your marks in physics. Mark a line and number. While solving physics problems in question paper, practice drawing a line between two problems in order to differentiate two problems, and practice marking question number so that you can easily recheck your answers. I don't like to stop this video here. I would like to give you a bonus tip as I promised earlier. So here is the bonus tip. While I was preparing for NEET exam, one day I had two physics tests, one during morning and another during evening. My physics master told me morning paper is very easy and evening paper is very difficult. I got that in my mind and I wrote both the tests. After going home, I checked my marks. More obviously, I got more marks in morning test since my master told it is very easy, and got poor marks in evening test. Next day, my physics master told me a shocking news. He told that, sorry students, what I told yesterday was wrong. I wrongly told morning paper was easier, but it was a difficult paper, and evening paper was a easier one. Yes guys, this is what I learned from this experience. If you think something as hard, even if it is easy, it will be hard for you. If you think something as easy, even if it is difficult, it will be easy for you. So try to eliminate this rumor that physics is very difficult for me. Instead, say to your mind that physics is very easy for me, it's my favorite subject, so you can notice improving your performance in physics. So, mindset is the thing that matters. Okay guys, these were the strategies. Try to read all chapters. Don't forget to solve previous year questions. Prefer videos over books for concepts. Quality matters than quantity. Use dimensional analysis over standard method. Don't worry, try to solve from the last questions. Do some research and mark a line and number. And finally,